Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Certainly. Integrating a library into a Python project using Docker can be a useful way to manage dependencies and ensure consistent environments across different systems. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process step by step using a simple example. We'll use Docker to create a containerized environment for a Python project that utilizes an external library. Objective: integrate the requests library into a Python project using Docker. Create a new directory for your Python project. In this directory, you should have your main Python script, example app.py, and a requirements.txt file to list your project dependencies. app.py. Requirements.txt. Create a Dockerfile in the project directory to specify how the Docker image should be built. Dockerfile. Open a terminal, navigate to your project directory, and run the following command to build the Docker image. This command tells Docker to build an image using the current directory, and tag it with the name myPython_app. Now that the image is built, you can run a container from it. This command starts a container from the myPython_app image and runs the app.py script inside the container. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated the requests library into a Python project using Docker. This approach helps ensure that your project dependencies are isolated and can be easily reproduced on different systems. Feel free to adapt this example to your specific project requirements. Docker is a powerful tool for managing dependencies and creating reproducible environments, making it easier to collaborate with others and deploy your applications. ChatGPT.